Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So as you have read in the title below, this is not just a brand new video but also a brand new series which I'm so excited to start here on my YouTube channel. But before that, if you are seeing me for the first time or if you have clicked this video and you are right here, so first of all, hi, I'm Nidhi. I create videos on beauty, lifestyle, skincare, hair care, hairstyles and a lot more. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna enjoy it, you're gonna love it here. So all you need to do is just subscribe to my channel, tune in every week. I almost upload videos twice a week. Yes, that's pretty much it. So please make sure that you subscribe. And now we are gonna begin with this very video. So yes, as I said, I'm super excited to start this brand new series which is called Nidhi's Candid Corner. Since you have clicked here, it might be that you are already viewer of mine or an audience of mine, but you have clicked to such a, I would say, like my candid plays, my I think this video is something that will be watched by my true audience is what I believe. And if you're new here, then I think I'm more than happy to welcome you. Okay, so in this new series which is Nidhi's Candid Corner, we are just gonna be I am just gonna be talking about things that I really want to talk. There are a lot of things that we cannot talk when it comes to my skincare beauty videos, but yahan pe it's gonna be very up close and personal. And yeah, we're just gonna be talking about things that I want to almost every week. Since today's Thursday and uploading the first series, so let's upload every video every Thursdays. Yes, I hope that you guys enjoy the series. You can also comment down below topics that we can might be discussed. I might share my opinion through this video, and you guys too can share your opinions right down in the comment section. And yes, make it a happy, engaging place. So to begin with the first episode of Nidhi's Candid Corner, I really wanted to keep something on a very lighter note and something that is also gonna bring my audience up close and personal to me. So yeah, that's why the first video is about things that I personally love as well as things that I hate. I think hate is going to be a big word, or like dislike about me personally. So yeah, let's just start. I have very briefly noted down certain things in case I forgot, in case I just forget it. So it's all written in front of me. I'm gonna just look once and then I'm just gonna share everything. Yes, so I'm super excited now. Without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into the video. Also, please ignore how I'm looking. I've not done any makeup today. I've just applied some lipstick and that's it. This video, as the series name says, it's candid conversation. So it's all gonna be candid, it's all gonna be real, and it's all just gonna be about me. And it's just you guys are gonna get to know me personally, up close and personal. And we are not just gonna be talking about me or my life. We are gonna be talking also about certain topics of the society or whatever we can. Let's see how this series goes. So let's begin with the first episode. Okay, so I'm gonna start with something happy, something good, which is things that I love about me. I have like around 6 points samne, so I'm gonna be sharing all of that. Okay, so the first thing that I personally like about me is that if I've said, अगर आप मेरे दोस्तों, अगर आपको मैंने कभी कहा है कि I'm gonna be there for you, or if something wrong happens, make sure that you ping me. I'm definitely gonna be there for you. And over the period of time, of course, priorities change होती है, friendships change होते हैं, बहुत कुछ बदलता है. But अगर मैंने आपको कभी वो चीज़ कहा है, and after certain years when even we are not that close, or things have changed, I am a person I will definitely remember that and I will be there for you. Like honestly, बहुत लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि मैं आपके लिए हमेशा रहूँगा या रहूँगी, and they end up not being there. But I feel that I am someone who is gonna be there for you, even with people I am not in touch with today, because of whatsoever reasons. But if I have said you कि we are friends, I'm gonna be there for you, make sure I can assure that I'm gonna be there. Pakka. But of course, until unless you have done something very wrong with me, in that case of course not. But otherwise, I think I'm someone who would remembers such things, and I'm definitely gonna be there. Okay, so that's the first thing that I like about me. The second thing is that I will never say something that is gonna hurt you. I at least try to never say things that is gonna hurt you. Like for example, एक example लेते हैं छोटा सा. I पर्सनली नो पीपल हु आर लाइक यू नो, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप सोचिए कि आपने कुछ एक न्यू हेयर कट कराया है, जस्ट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जाम्पल, नॉट इंसिडेंट दैट हैज एवर हैपेंड, बट जस्ट थिंक कि आपने कुछ एक न्यू हेयर कट कराया हुआ है एंड उसके बाद यू नो यू गो इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड और अ पर्सन XYZ, and then that person is like, you know, what is this haircut, it's looking so bad, और छी आप कितने बुरे लग रहे हो, ऐसे कुछ, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट लाइक जस्ट सेइंग हियर, आई नो पीपल हु आर लाइक दिस, यू नो, जो मुंह पे ऐसे बोल देते हैं, बट एज मच एज आई नो मी एंड एटलीस्ट आई ट्राई कि यू नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि फेक इट, डोंट फेक इट फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स, बी ऑनेस्ट, बट देर इज अ वे कि आप ऑनेस्टी के साथ किसी को बोलो, मेकिंग श्योर कि उनको हर्ट ना हो, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो, आपका ये सेंटेंस उनका पूरा दिन खराब कर दे, या ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है ना जो बहुत साल बाद भी आपको याद रहती है, जब मैंने वो हेयर कट कराया था उस बंदे ने या उस बंदी ने ऐसे मुझे बोला था. तो आई थिंक डोंट बी दैट पर्सन फॉर समवन इज वॉट आई एम यू नो मीनिंग टू से. आई एम नॉट सेइंग जस्ट बी फेक एंड ऑलवेज से गुड टू अदर्स, नो. अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगी है उनकी, आप उनको बोलने का एक तरीका होता है, सो गो बाई दैट वे, बी लिटिल यू नो गुड, और आई वुड से calm with others. Don't say things that hurt others. So I feel ki I am someone who tries at least to say things that will never hurt anyone, and अगर मुझे सच में कुछ अच्छा नहीं भी लगा और अगर मुझे बोलना भी है, I would just say it in a very calm and like a way that I feel will not hurt others. So that is something that I always make sure to keep in my mind, कि मुझसे मैं ऐसा कुछ ना बोलूँ कि कोई मुझे उस चीज़ से याद रखे कि मैंने इतना बुरा बोला था उनको, या उसके वजह से उनका दिन बुरा गया या उनका मूड ऑफ हो गया, whatever it is. So yeah, that is something that I personally like in me. And the third thing is that I feel that I'm extremely adjusting. Like I think I will adjust with most of the people. It might be that I'm in a group, I don't like the people, I don't like the vibe, but at least at that moment I'm not gonna create an issue. I will try my best कि I adjust, and I know कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एडजस्ट करती हूँ, एंड कभी कभी उसके वजह से मेरे साथ बुरा हो जाता है, एंड अप बीइंग इन यू नो इन द पार्ट जहाँ पे मेरा ही लॉस होता है, मैक्सिमम टाइम मेरा ही लॉस होता है, बट आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. आई adjust a lot for others. I make sure कि बाकी सब comfortable हो and all of that shit. So yeah. And fourth thing is I am helpful. That is what I've written because I feel I am. Even बहुत सारे people I know who are getting new into content creation. For example मैं बोल रही हूँ, people I know they're getting new into content creation. If they text me asking me anything related to content creation, and if I can help, अगर मैं कुछ भी बता सकती हूँ. I am not someone who has done a lot in this industry or achieved a lot in this industry, but whatever I have experienced, अगर मुझसे कोई भी पूछे मैं सच वो सब बता देती हूँ कि यू नो इसमें इन्वेस्ट करे, इसमें ना इन्वेस्ट करे, ऐसे करे, ऐसे ना करे, दिस दैट. सो आई ट्राई टू बी हेल्पफुल. दिस इज जस्ट वन एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गिवन. इन एनी वे दैट आई कैन हेल्प, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट दैट यू नो I just help out people. Okay, fifth point is that I feel that I'm a great listener. I can sit down and listen to people, my friends especially. अगर वो मुझसे कुछ share करना चाहते हो, then I think that I am that person that you can come to and you can share because I'm going to listen and try to keep almost everything just मेरे तक and not pass it down the information. लाइक अगर मुझे पास डाउन करना भी है, आई विल ट्राई टू आस्क दैट पर्सन कि तुमने मुझसे ये कहा था, क्या मैं ये यू नो उसको बता दूँ या जो भी है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाटएवर, आई एम अ ग्रेट लिसनर इज व्हाट आई फील. एंड विद दैट वी कम टू द लास्ट गुड पॉइंट विच इज आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट. येस, आई फील दैट आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, बट आई फील कि I am confident in myself. If I do a haircut and if that has gone wrong, I feel that I can carry it. I'm confident because I know a lot of people who say a lot of things about people who share things on social media, but उनके अंदर इतना हिम्मत नहीं होता है कि वो कैमरा निकाले और बात करे. But I can do it. So yes, I'm confident and yeah, I think that is something that I personally love the most about me, कि मैं कैरी कर सकती हूँ चीज़ों को, and I'm just confident. So yeah, So these were the things that I absolutely like, I absolutely love about me. अगर आपको भी मेरे बारे में कुछ भी चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, अगर आपने मुझसे कभी मिला हो या आप मेरे दोस्त हो, तो you can comment it down, feel free to do that. Now I'm gonna be tuning into things that I hate about me. That's gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's start with the very first point. Something that I think most of the people who know me also end up saying me is that I am a big time overthinker. मैं चीज़ों के बारे में इतना ज़्यादा सोच सकती हूँ, I am an overthinker. Like हो सकता है कि कुछ मैटर हुआ ही नहीं है, but I am sitting here and thinking about every bad thing that can happen or like everything related to that, and वो मैटर कुछ वहाँ पे हुआ ही नहीं है. So I'm a big time overthinker. Like don't ever prank with me by telling कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है या हुआ है, because I'm gonna sit down and it's gonna affect the hell out of me and I'm just gonna overthink. So yeah, I'm a big time overthinker. That is something I hate about me. I try to, calm myself and आजकल ignore a lot of things that's going around, but me being me, I end up sitting down and thinking about it again and again and again. So that is something that I hate about me. Okay, the second thing is that, which I personally, people think कि क्योंकि most of the time if you meet me or if you are my friend, I talk a lot and everything might seem to be normal about me. I sit down, I will talk, I will tell things if I want to or whatever it is, but I am a very like observer kind of person. मैं बहुत observe करती हूँ. Like even if I'm talking continuously with a group of people, I'm gonna observe every single person is how I am, and then I'm gonna sit down. Like जब ऐसे ही नहीं कि मैं observe कर रही हूँ ना आकर बैठ के मैं सोच रही हूँ उनके बारे में, not like that, but आई थिंक मैं हर छोटी छोटी चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करूंगी एंड बाद में दोज थिंग्स काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट मी इज वॉट आई फील. आई होप दैट आई एम telling it the right way or it's going out the right way, because what I mean to say is that I observe a lot about everyone, about people I meet and all of that, what they say, then वो कैसे बोलते कुछ और है करते कुछ और है, ये सब कुछ, and then it kind of affects my mental peace a lot of times. So yeah, I also need to like ignore. I have to learn the art of ignoring. Like इतना ज़्यादा observe करना भी I don't think कि अच्छा है, so मुझे ignore करना भी थोड़ा बहुत अभी सीखना है. Coming to the third point, again something that a lot of people tell me is that I'm a people pleaser. Just like I said in the things I love about me कि मैं बहुत adjust करती हूँ and all of this, that comes with a very negative side of me, that is I'm a people pleaser. I make sure कि सब कुछ अच्छा हो, सब खुश रहे, सब एक साथ चले, भले मुझे कितना भी इफेक्ट हो वो चीज़, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड टू डू दैट. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू आर अ पीपल प्लीज यू गोना रिलेट टू मी. एंड में हमें कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. नो वन इज गोना गिव यू अ अवार्ड ऑफ बीइंग द बेस्ट पर्सन, द बेस्ट फ्रेंड, द बेस्ट डॉटर, दिस दैट और वट एवर. I don't say कि hurt others, but make sure कि in this journey of pleasing people, खुद को हम इतना इफेक्ट कर देते हैं कि खुद को अगर कुछ चीज़ बुरी भी लग रही है ना, बोल नहीं पाते हम. So I think that is a very bad trait in me, that I'm an extreme people pleaser, that I end up not thinking about खुद के बारे में, and yeah, so I'm a people pleaser. I hate that. Okay, then the fifth one is okay, this is also something that I need to change about me. I'm someone, like I said अपने like वाले point में कि अगर मैंने आपको बोला है कि I'll be there for you, I'm going to be there for you because I consider you my friend or whatever it is, that comes with again a negative thing, that is that because मैं ऐसी हूँ ना, आई ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट कि सामने वाला भी ऐसा ही होगा या होगी. दैट आपने तो एक टाइम पे बोला था कि यू आर गोना बी देयर फॉर मी और माई फ्रेंड, वाई इज शी नॉट टॉकिंग विथ मी, और वाई इज ही नॉट टॉकिंग विथ मी, और वाई इज ही नॉट बीइंग देयर फॉर मी व्हेन आई नीड अ फ्रेंड और वट एवर दैट इज. सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ नेगेटिव थिंग, दैट मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर देती हूँ कि अरे वो तो दोस्त था भी क्यों नहीं है. आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट प्रायोरिटीज चेंज, आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पीपल चेंज सो मच, एंड इट्स ओके if they change also. So I should stop considering everybody my friend, and even you, if you consider everybody your friend, trust me my friend, nobody is going to be there till the end, or of course kuch dost banenge, kuch dost rahenge, but everybody is not your friend, trust me on that. Okay, with that we come to the next point, which is again I hate hate that I've never ever went on like a solo date to any cafe or movie or anything. I really want to. This thing is something कि मेरे अंदर ना ऐसा हो गया है कि मुझे दोस्तों के साथ जाना है या फिर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और whoever is near and dear to me उनके साथ मुझे जाना है कैफे में या फिर मूवी देखने शॉपिंग करने whatever. I cannot go alone. That is a issue. मुझे जाना है बाहर अकेले. I really want to. I love people who go alone on solo dates. They kind of vlog it and they share कि उनका experience कैसा था and they end up enjoying so much. I try to, but I just cannot. I have tried once कि मैं solo एक cafe में जाऊँ, order my coffee, sit down, read the book, but I need people. I need to talk with someone. I just cannot do that. So yeah, that is something I hope that this year I at least go on one solo date. With that, we come to the last point. Something that I hate about me is that I can cry literally for anything. Like अगर लड़ाई भी हो रही है मेरी किसी के साथ हो सकता है कि उस पॉइंट पे मैं कुछ बोल दूँ चिल्लाकर या कुछ भी, बट आई एम इमिडिएटली गोना स्टार्ट क्राइंग एंड फील गिल्टी कि मैंने ऐसे क्यों बोला. एंड देन मैं लड़ नहीं सकती हूँ. आई विल क्राई. और अगर आपने मुझे कुछ बुरा बोल दिया तब तो पक्का आई विल क्राई. और आई थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी वीक एंड अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट अबाउट मी. आई डोंट लाइक क्राइंग. I also want to keep my point very strongly and firmly, but I end up not doing that and just crying and coming out as a person who cannot stand for herself or cannot put her point, because ऐसा नहीं है. honestly मेरे पास बहुत सारे points होते हैं, मैं अपने लिए stand ले सकती हूँ, but I don't know why do I cry. So आजकल I try जब मुझे रोना आता है ऐसे कुछ भी बातों पे या किसी को कुछ बोल रही हूँ and I end up crying, I just kind of control. No Nidhi, you're gonna come out as this person, so do not cry. And this also brings to a very interesting point is that you do not cry in front of anybody or everybody, because I don't think a lot of people deserve to see that side of yours. So that is one small tip that I would like to add by also coming to the end of this video. I tried to keep it very candid and very real with you guys. I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. And I was a bit nervous because this is the first ever episode of this series, but hopefully next time say we are going to come up with more interesting topics. Maybe you can comment down below आपको किस topic में you want to hear my opinion or my words. I'd be more than happy to film it. And yes, हमारा beauty lifestyle videos तो साथ में बाकी हफ्ते के 2 दिन आते ही रहेंगे, which is on Tuesday and Sundays. Thursdays के लिए we are going to put up this series. देखते हैं कब तक अच्छा लगता है आप लोगों को, तब तक हम भी बात करेंगे. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, अगर आपको मेरे चैनल में मज़ा आ रहा है, then please make sure that you like this video, share it with all your friends. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And yes, to get daily updates of what's happening and what's not, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. Links are going to be in the description box. Go check it out. I will super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.